We already have
All about specific.
customers can now order supplies, right? It's
Yes, yes.
now it's already available.
I'm sorry.
Yeah,
I
sorry.
always tell y'all every single time I update something new. So yes, I added the supplies bar to the app, but I didn't add it to the website. So um, if you don't have it already, I definitely highly recommend that you download the app as well and log in. That way you can see it from both angles. Because a lot
On
of
my on the mobile phone.
yes. So whether you have
Okay.
an iPhone or Android, but I definitely recommend having it if you can, just because that way, because most of our customers or clients, they'll be looking at from their mobile phone from the app versus from the desktop. So that way you'll
Yeah.
looking at from
Mm.
both angles.
It's easy to do some troubleshooting if I also have the mobile app. However, what plugins can I use? My email address support, right? Can I
Yep,
use
the
that?
same way you log in through the computer, you'll log in through the app the same way.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Yep,
I'll try that one.
cool.
Also, actually, we asked about the price of the leads. Actually, it was Belle who first asked me, how many percent is the discount on leads. So, that's why we compare. There's $85 and 125. That's why we asked you yesterday about the price of leads. So we lower it down, right?
Correct. This is temporary. It was just so we can get some new clients in because we were slow on clients. I know the callers wanted to make some commission, so I lowered the
Uh-huh.
price just to get us new clients in. So I'm actually about to
I
probably change it back over the weekend. So definitely check the website
mm-hmm.
if I forget to tell you like I
Ah,
usually do. But yeah, so 85 for members. So if members
uh-huh.
if they want to buy leads, they'll come in this portal here and they'll come to
Mm-hmm.
right? And you see that they get the 85.
Yeah.
For the
Mm-hmm.
non-members, then they go to the regular Cleaners Network website and get it from there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. But I also told Belle that I'm getting emails about what they call this, uh setting up their accounts. So it was a good thing that most of our clients are purchasing the 1999
Yes.
starter kit.
Yes.
So I've already told Belle about that. So we're expecting clients now more that that includes clients are purchasing uh starter kit with leads. So it's a good thing.
Exactly. And
I've
you know what?
already told.
That's right. And I forgot that you have access to that now, so you can see it before I even forwarded the email to Bill. So
Yeah.
what I should do, I should. I'll send it to you from now on. I need to go. I'm gonna go on my back end and change that because just in case, because I'll forget. I get so many different emails. I've been doing good, but it's like the
Mhm.
way it works right now is so after they buy the starter kit, right? On that thank you page,
Yeah. Mhm.
the application for the leads are. And so instead of having it automatically go to Bill like I used to, I make it
Mhm.
come to me first so I can verify that they actually paid for the lead to be included and not they didn't just fill out the
Mhm.
form, trying to get free leads. But actually, now that you got access to it, I can just have it go straight to your email and you can forward it to Bill. Or I can go, because I don't know, does Bill have access to the Shopify? I can't remember.
Yes, we both do
You
have
both
an
do?
access to
Okay,
Shopify
perfect.
and but she doesn't have an access to Podia, I think.
Probably not. No, no, no. She should actually. Yeah, she should. She should. If not, then
Oh, she.
and then
Oh,
like I
okay.
said, I'm going to give you both access to the job form as well. I seen somebody
Mm.
came in. Sorry, who was this? Hey, Charlotte's iPhone. How
Yeah.
I'm good.
you doing today?
I'm all right.
Good, good. Give me 1 second. I'm making a note. Um, uh, shit, all right, yeah. Sorry about that. I guess we was kind of having like a mini team meetings and nobody was here yet. But Charlotte, if you got anything for me, you can go ahead and start us off with some questions. Don't like nobody else on here just yet. And if you don't have anything, I'll scroll through the group, even though I don't think it's much there because I've been active in the group this week. But if you got something, unmute yourself. Feel free. If not, I'll scroll through and try to find something, And I just kind of stall until somebody join, and then if nobody joins in a couple of minutes, I'll just end it. All
Okay, I'm good.
right. Okay, cool. Let's see here. Actually, I'm gonna refresh it just in case anybody commented while we're just sitting here. Yeah, I see people on here, so I'm assuming that they must be coming. Either that or they're trying to do calculations or proposals. Let's see. Nobody commented on this, so that don't mean nobody's stuck trying to get in. All right. Oh, that's what I did say I was gonna start doing this. So I'm gonna start doing announcements before we first come on. So here's some announcements this week. What I have done so far is number one, if you'll notice that oh my bad. I just realized I have my music playing in the background. All right. I was in the house cleaning all morning. The kids gone, my wife gone, and I said, you know what? I'm going to clean this whole house from top to bottom, and I bump my music. All right, here we go. All right. So one of the new things that I added was, am I still recording? I am. All right. Is the supplies. Okay, so I added supplies back to the app. We used to have them, but then I took it away. But I said, you know what? Let's put it back in there. So, and then you'll notice when you click it, it'll be listed in our store, but when you go to actually make the purchase, it'll take you to Amazon. And that's because I am an Amazon affiliate, right? So instead of me drop shipping it to you or retailing it to you and adding my extra percentage on, I said, you know what, how about I just let you go directly, and get the price that you should be getting, right? I ain't gonna say should be, but the price, like the good price, right? Because ain't no such thing as should if you really know. But anyway, but get the real, I guess, wholesale price, I guess, because when you order, anyway, bottom line is I ain't adding no taxes on it. I'm not taxing you. So yeah, I figured that would be the best way to do it and the most beneficial way for both parties. So that's how that'll be. That's why you'll notice the same view on Amazon. The other announcement is this. Okay, what did I do here? I did. All right, so a while back I was on a live and I promised that I would update the terms in the proposal. So if you look at, let's pull up one actually. Let's pull it up in a new link so we don't have to leave here. And if you come down to the terms of service, right? So in your proposal on the very last page, you got the service agreement, right? Well, if you come down to number 3 right here, term number 3, I changed this and it already had said that it was going to automatically renew the agreement each year. But in addition to that, now what I added is a 3% inflation price increase. So that way, every single year, if they sign this proposal and you leave this verbiage in there, you got the option to take it out, right? It's your proposal, do what have you. You can change it to 5%. You can do whatever you want to do. But just standard, I added this in there so that way you'll automatically be able to raise your price by 3% every year. Now, it's up to you to remember to actually do it though. So make sure you make a note somewhere. I don't know what systems everybody are using for billing or for note taking, whatever, but maybe pull it in your calendar on every year. That's what I like to use, my Google Calendar, and it'll remind me and pop up on my phone. So on this day, every year going forward, make sure that I increase the invoice for X account. All right. And by the way, all right, but so this will be a good fun exercise for the people watching the replay. For those who don't know how to do percentages and stuff, you got to change the percentage into a decimal in case you don't know. All right. So if you want to figure out what's 3% of 1,000, then you can do 1,000 times 0.03 because 0.3 would be 30. So 0.03, 3%, and you got $30. So it'll be a $30 increase, right? Another way to do it, I'm trying to remember what's the easy way. That's the way I do it. What is the easy way to do it if you just want to add it on to it? I think it's times 1 point whatever the percentage is. So 1,000 plus 1,000 times 1.03. There we go. So whatever you do, put the 1 in front of it and then the point and then the percentage. Hopefully that makes sense. So if it was 30%, you put the 3 first. It takes you back to those elementary school days where we weren't paying attention. They did the ones and tenths and thousands place and all of that. But anyway, that's how you add that percentage on there. I heard somebody unmuted. Did anybody have any questions? Oh, that's Anna. Okay. Did you have something for me, Anna?
I don't know.
Okay. All right, cool. All right, what else we got? Any other announcements? I want announcements. Think this. Oh, so I want to start doing this. I see we got 23 people down with me. Actually, 22 because I voted too. And we're gonna need a lot more than that. But if we start with the 22, we'll I think once we get it rolling, we'll go from there. So what I want to do is every Monday through Friday morning, we do an accountability call just every morning, whether I get up here and just rant and give you some motivation, or whether we get up here and we do some practice biz or whatever. I'll bring in some guest speakers. That's definitely some of the CBN alumni that's doing it big that abandon us, but I got most of their phone numbers because once you hit a certain point and we building and I'm familiar with you, I've seen your name enough, you participate in the network. After a while, at some point, I have to deal with you directly for whatever reason, whether it's because I seen you at a conference or it's because I needed you to do whatever it is. I'll reach out to you via cell phone. Next thing you know, we got each other number now. You know what I mean? So I'll hit those people up and have those people start to come in and do some guest hosting for me on those morning meetups, and then um, eventually I'll branch out to other influencers as well. But for now, I want to start off within the CBN community with people. And by the way, I'm gonna make sure that these are vetted people too. It ain't just anybody that's gonna be on there just because they want to, be in the spotlight. So, but that's something that I want to start. I wanted to start it as soon as this Monday, but I'm not gonna do it because my wife's birthday is Tuesday, and she said she want to go to a resort, so we're gonna go to a resort. And knowing the way we do, it ain't gonna just be Tuesday. It's gonna be this Saturday. Probably really would have been today, but I ain't want to pay that much. But it probably be Saturday through. We probably be back home Wednesday, and then I probably actually get back to doing stuff on Thursday. So, but so it probably be the week after next where I really start to implement this. But I definitely want to do this. And one of the things that helped me do this too, just FYI, just so y'all know, I take courses and stuff too. I paid for David Shan's thing. Y'all might know him, the Sleepers for Suckers. What is it? Something podcast, something like that. But anyway, I joined his morning meetup, and it was motivational to me. I said, this is a good idea. And I'm the type of person where I worked all these years and sacrificed all these years because I don't want to get up in the morning, right? I didn't want to have to go to do anything. And I created that for myself, and I've been waking up when I feel like it for maybe the past 3 years. But now I'm in a position where it's like, you know what, time to level up again. I mean, I've been cruising at the particular revenue point that I'm at now for a little while, and it's like it's time to take it up even more. It's time to create more opportunities for other people. We need to be hiring more people. We need to be getting more, everything, right? It's kind of growth. So in order for me to do that, I decided to go ahead and join that morning meetup group for that accountability and that motivation. And it's actually been working. This is my first week into it, and I said, you know what? I'm gonna start me one within my community. And the moment I leave here, I'm going to mine, and we're gonna do it like that. So then the final thing, I said every single time too, I want to remind y'all of this. So everybody has this. It's on your app too. If you on the app, it's right in here. Click the my account thing. And you know what? I need to make these the same too, so I don't have to start. Cause like on the website it says get leads, but on the app it say leads. On the website it say account, but on the app say my account. So I need to make those match. But anyway, um, I want to show you this. And so this and this is the exact same thing on the Apple on the desktop. All right. But make sure that you remember this, y'all. If you go to my account and you go to affiliate program, you have an affiliate link. Everybody that's a member of this site has an affiliate link. Make sure you share it. If you're getting value out of this community, you like being here, share your link. Okay. You know why? Because for one, you're helping them, right? If you honestly think you get value out of this community, value from the course and the coaching calls and every single other thing that we got going on, tell people about it. And before you tell them what to do, don't send them to me. Don't say, look up AJ Simmons. From now on, you say, I'm going to text you the information, or I'm going to email you the information, and send them this link right here. So that way, when they sign up and they know you ain't bullshitting because you in it, right? So they know it's real. But send them this link. And then when you send them this link every single month, when they pay their 49, and which soon I'm gonna raise it to 79. That's gonna be the last time I raise it though. But as soon as it's gonna be 79, and by the way, whatever you bought in, that's what it is. As long as you don't cancel, your price stays the same. All right. And I'll be honest too. There's been time, maybe once or twice, where somebody hit me up and be like, I canceled back in the day, but I was paying because at one time it was 29, and it was like they paid 29. I look them up and see, yeah, they really was paying 29. They were trying to see before they joined back, can they get it at that 29 rate again? I give it to you at 29 rate again, no problem. But no, I mean, just throwing it out there. But bottom line is get that money, right? Because if you refer people, this is like the same way that I'm making residual money every single month off of the members of this social network here. You can be doing the same thing. All right. And you ain't have to build the shit. You didn't have to research and figure out how to build an app and how to build a website and build a course and all of that shit. I did all of that for you. All you had to do was buy it one time. Now, if you sell it to somebody else, you may have your money back every month. You sell it to two people, you win this shit for free now. All right. So just FYI, so I'm gonna start reminding everybody of that because that's really just easy money that you could be making. I want to go on my back end, but I ain't gonna do it. I wanted to show y'all some people that's getting money for free every single month. Of course, the best person is Miss Katrina Johnson because she got a big following, right? But she refer people every single month to this platform. It's like, and y'all know she do coaching too. She got some programs and some courses, but she realized she don't have this. So it's like, why create the wheel, recreate the wheel when she can just refer people to this? So shout out to Miss Johnson. All right, but anyway, nobody's still here, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up, and I'll post this replay. And but that's it. I appreciate y'all for joining Miss Charlotte and Miss Anna. And other than that, I talk to y'all next week.
Thanks, AJ.
No problem. Have a good one.
Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.